Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create to-do list in a Flash using the Google Gemini. So in here, I've already opened the Google Gemini apps, and you can start by clicking on the chat box in here and then just write the instruction. So for example, create a to-do list for me, which consists of uh, waking up, go to work, exercise, go to movies, and go home, for example. And you can also give them instructions to make it as a table, make it in the form of a table, for example. Now you can just click on submit on enter and just wait until the Gemini create you this to-do list table. If you want to modify the result, you can click on the three dots icon in here or just type the result here, and you can also modify it again. And if you want to share it to the Google Docs, you can click on the three dots icon, export it to Google Docs. You can also share it by creating the public link. Here you can also modify the responses. Here you can make it longer, for example, or more professional if you want to. You can see this is the final result, and you can also copy the result and maybe share it to your partner. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.